We are in the mountain heading to Cornelia, just leaving Vernazza, and in the middle of the mountain we found all of these olive trees. Get a shot. And underneath the olive tree you will see those green nets, and what they do is they shake the olives and then they catch them in the nets, and then they'll take them to go and press them. And it's just about to be olive season. It's the last weekend in October. Usually they're picking the olives in the first or second week of November. So here it is, olive grove in the middle of the mountains. I then stumbled upon a farm shop where they produce olive oil within the mountain. A process so difficult that it's considered a heroic feat.